Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about Quik App, like I've explained earlier. So I'll just show you the overview. It's a straight to the point application. So I'll just show you how to run it, how to apply the pictures, the videos, and how to apply the effect, then export, and you can now freestyle with it and create something good and become creative with it. Now to open Quik App, you search for Quik, you know where it is, then you open it just like normal apps. Now these are my previous works that I have on it, but to create a new work, you click on the plus sign. You click on the plus sign at the bottom right. Then you pick the clips, just like your legend clips. You can do that with your legend clips, or images that you want to add. So when you pick your clips or images, let me just pick clips, complementary card clips that are here. The next thing is you can even combine clips and images like I did just now. Now is to click the plus sign here. Look at my cursor, the maroon cursor, to click the correct, just like a mark sign, like correct here by the bottom right. Then it will take you to the Quik App environment, where you have at the bottom you have three options here. At the bottom you have the music, you have the settings, then you have the effect. You have the effect here where you have to put the animation and everything for that you want. So the disadvantage here is that you can't give each images or each slide different animation. So the animation you pick will be a universal animation for all the slides. So I'll pick one. You can test a lot when you are through. I'll just pick one, just like the one I used for the video I sent. So that was swell. If I want to add music, my personal music, I'm not okay with this music, I'll click on the music options here, then scroll, look at where my mouse cursor is, then scroll to the end, then click on music library and look for my music and pick music. So let's say this is a comedy music.
But now I'm supposed to sleep, but instead I am rolling on my pillow.
Now, if I don't want music, I'll click on no music. So I'll click on no music. If I don't want sound, I'll click on no sound. So all this you can try out. It's not like how will I put it, like a normal textbook. This is a creative app, so it's based on your creativity, not on a form of activity that you have to, or maybe some of this is how it's supposed to look like. This is just creative. Just be creative with it. Come out with something new. Come out with something different. Something acceptable. Then you can, from settings, you can pick duration that you want. You can pick the cinema, music, filter. Just play with all this. It's very direct. It's just like your InShot, but like a sophisticated portion of the InShot app. So that's just. Then if you want to edit the individual slides or individual images or video I have sent, you click on the pencil sign, then you can edit. Then for example, if I want to add an intro, I'll click on add text, and it will ask me, do I want to pick a title or a caption? So I can pick a title. All these things you can manipulate to give you what you want. So sample springy class. So please manipulate them. It's just very, very direct and simple and simple. Now I can give this a caption. Let's say a caption. Let's say that will be springy business card. Let me just use big card because of our time. Big card. It seems these keyboards or touch keys, they have the mind of their own. You see? Hey, God have mercy. Now select OK. So you can add it like that for everything. Then there's always an outro. You can also add an outro to it. Then if you want to remove any, just click on any of them. Then you drag. You click first, you wait, then you drag. Then if you want to move, you click, you drag. Then if you want to delete, you take it down to where you have the bucket. Then that erase bin bucket now, the normal sign of delete. Then if I want to move forward, I'll click drag over to move to the place I want to. So that's how. Then if you are through with your work, then the next thing you do is go back, click on back, then click on this sign that has a down arrow. Then it will show you share link, send file, and new Instagram story. So I'll be sharing the link, or sending the file rather, to our WhatsApp platform. I'll be sending it to our WhatsApp platform. So it will be saving the video first before sending. I already planned 8 minutes for this video. So the longer the clips that you have, as many as the clips are, the longer the time you take for it to convert and save as video. Then I'm sending it to the mobile IT class. So as you can see, I'm making this video live. Then I send. So that's that. Thank you very much. Thank you.